Hello, hello. We are back today. This is 2nd of May. Uh, we are in New York session. Let's get into our analysis. Top down, we don't. Let's get into it. So by okay, daily for we are just gonna trade gold like we always do. We're gonna do our top down analysis, and for now we'll look into. Okay, yeah. So we have. Okay, so we will we will delete our previous. We are in a consolidation. If we see in daily time frame, our support somewhere over here from past weeks. Okay, so daily support is somewhere over here. Then our and our resistance is somewhere over here. Yeah, yeah, somewhere over here. Or we can make it over here. Yeah, yeah. Our okay, so the resistance we'll mark it over here, support over here. On 4 hour time frame, we have support was at a right level, and our resistance, a good resistance, would be here, which we have passed over here. 1 hour. Okay, so we have a good support over here, or yeah, over here. So we have a good support over here and resistance over here somewhere. Yes. So we have resistance over here. We have support over here on 1 hour time frame. On 30 minutes, we have our resistance here and support over here. So we are top to down analysis on 30 minutes. We are almost, almost, almost. Yeah. Mm, 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 mm. If we look on our left-hand side, uh, 73 pips. We will do that. We will have our uh, we'll keep our resistance over here. Yeah, we'll do that. And for our support, we will have over here. If we break below and close this support level, which is around 45.25, we are happily to get 82 pips. Okay, now that's not bad. That's not bad. But if we break about, ooh, okay, okay. If we go below this level, we have a clean range for 300 pips and something like that. So, this is a 15-minute time frame, 30 minutes, sorry. This is a 30-minute time frame. We are consolidating. We're just entered in New York time on 15 minutes. We have the same support as 30 minutes. So if we close below this level, we will be getting almost 83 pips. Yeah, that's okay. That's fine because there's no traffic closed. First, I think so. Yeah, this resistance, this support, this support is good, you know. So yeah, um, right now we're in consolidation on 15 minutes. We will have our support resistance somewhere over here. Yeah, yeah, that will be more better. Yeah, even yeah, I think so. This support, this resistance. Uh, we'll go with the newest resistance right now. So yeah, we have resistance over here, a support over here. We are currently in a consolidation. These are my little plants I just got today. They make me feel alive, you know. Yeah, yeah. Yesterday was not so good. It was not so good. I could have, I could have a slight bigger stop loss that I could have prevented and got a good uh, win for the day, but I didn't, unfortunately. But analysis was right, or everything was right, but execution just it was just in the it just gets so it wasn't good. It was it was a resistance. Now it is becoming a support. Like if we see here, you see here, this is something resistance becoming support. This is a strong support now. If this candle, if this candle prints blue, because the overall market for today and was very bearish. Okay, we had a very, oh my God. Oh, okay, okay. We had a very big run in Asia and in London as well. Hmm. Hmm. So if we, and so this the resistance became support, and if we break below this support somewhere, we will be happy to get, you see this resistance over here? It's almost 34 pips. It's a big range. Yeah, so if we close below this range, we we'll be getting on 30 on 30 minutes. It's getting more cleaner over here. So yeah, if this candle prints green, I would be I would be going for buys, I guess, because it's on the support level, and yeah, if it breaks below, then it will be a good sell. But if it turns green, uh, but there's so much traffic on the left hand side. This is this is something risky. But I would look for sells if it breaks below and gives us a closure down. I'll be looking for a sell. But if it didn't, uh, I would be going for some waiting because waiting is the only thing we can do right now. Waiting, waiting, waiting. The best thing we can do is wait for our setup to form. That's the best thing because the New York's just begun, begun. Meshkuman, begun, John. I did my beard yesterday. Uh, I bought some plants to enhance some vibes of my workplace. Yeah, it's 2 minutes are left, and we are diving into the next 15 minutes of the 30 minute. Yeah. If this candle turn green and then the next candle break above the high of this candle, I'll be looking for buys, honestly. And my stop loss would be down somewhere over here. 45.24. And that case is only if and only if. Okay, it's the last minute of the first 15 minutes of New York session. New York Exchange is not open, it's just the New York session has been started. Okay, it turned bearish, but it did not break below our level. Yeah, I think so. I think so. It is a strong support. Market has given us the whole move of today. Um, in New York session, okay, just let's see what we have in the news today. We will see what we have on Forex. Factory. This is a factory we were looking. Iran still reviewing final text and has not yet submitted their response. Sorry. Okay, yeah. Iran is just testing. Okay, Italian. Oh, I don't. Nobody cares about Italian bank holiday. Okay. Um, there's there isn't a big any news for the gold today. Why don't I have a sip of water so that my throat get clear? It's so much. You know. It's better. So no big news for dollar. That means we have a clean day. We might get one setup because yeah, I like it. If it you know, if it turns green and break above this candle and closes, I would be very, very happy for taking a bias because it is on a support. We are in an uptrend. We don't want to go counter trend. It is creating a support. If it closes engulfing this candle, and okay, we have no clear view right now. So we will wait for a candle closure first, and then we'll look for whether it is going to be. Okay, no, I haven't. Okay, okay, sorry. Okay, yeah. So right now it is just sprinting downwards. So we will wait. We will wait for it. If it turns green, that means it's a strong support because the market has tested so many times. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, and this is the 11th time. Yeah, 11th 15-minute candle. Have tested to go down, but it stayed up. This one was a big rejection over here. Even though this was a big rejection, it did not close down. It was on top of the, oh, okay, it was London session. Ooh, okay, okay, okay. That could have been, yeah, yeah, this could have been a better, good trade. You see now the candle is trying to print green. Oh, I'll be very happy if it oh yeah, like see, don't do this to me. I would go for an impulse buy, but impulse buy is only valid after this. But we will wait for a candle closure. We're not gonna take any freaking risk. No manufacturing risk we're gonna take today. We had an L yesterday. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna force any trade. I'm gonna wait, and waiting is the best thing a trader can do to get his setup. We will let the setup to come towards us rather than we run towards the setup. You know, we will wait for the candle to close. Just okay. Oh my God! If the candle closes like this, this is such a beautiful buy. Oh my God! You don't know how happy I would be to get because if it closes like this. If it, yeah, if it doesn't do like this. Okay, this is not the good thing. If it closes like this, something like this, and we have oh my God, 100 pips down there. 100 pip. Okay, no, 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 no. Yeah, we will wait 9 minutes. 9 freaking minutes. We will wait because because We will wait for the candle closure and then breaking above the last candle. Only then and only then we are going to take a buy. Well, it will be, again, it will be very risky trade, but no, a friend, a friend of mine used to say, no risk, no Ferrari. So if we don't take risk, we're not gonna get a Ferrari. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, no risks, no Ferrari, Ferrari. Yeah, it's a 15-minute. We will wait because this is a good resistance, and this resistance became support over here. We will see if this candle, if this candle, yeah, you see, this support is because of this resistance. You see, I don't like it. Oh, oh my God, don't do this to me. Gold, these 5 minutes, you should come back. You should only engulf the candle. The stop loss is going to be very big if I did this because this is. I could have, I could have taken a buy over here and I've almost made 35 pips. These are the last 4 minutes for the 30-minute candle. Okay. As this 30-minute candle engulfs the previous 30-minute, we will be very happy to have our buys today. Okay, you see. That's why I am waiting for the candle to close first. It's a big rejection. It could be a big fill as well, Big fill of almost 56 pips. Ooh. Well, we will wait. We will wait for everything to happen. I can go for a buy over here, but I'm waiting for a candle to close, engulfing the previous. Oof, don't do this. Don't do this, gold. Come on, man. Nothing. Nothing. Uh, I don't know what's wrong with my camera. I just turn off automatically. I'm looking to buy a video cam, rather than this camera, this freaking camera. It's not freaking, but it's not what I needed for the moment. Okay, so yeah, last 2 minutes for 30-minute. If this candle engulfs the last one, I'm I'm pretty sure that it would, because ooh, 30-minute. Oh la la. Last minute. Yes. 29. Okay, 10 pips only. I understand. The last minute is very crucial for. Yeah. 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 So we'll see what 30-minute did. 30-minute. Uh, I don't know. I'm not gonna rush or anything. You see, if I would have been taking a trade, it could have been taking me out. That's why we wait for a candle to close. We wait for a candle to close. To close. Articulate. Articulate. If this candle breaks the high of its own, I think so I should go for buy, because this previous, but it broke the low. No, no, I'm not gonna. I am still waiting for a candle to close. We wait. We wait. Even you see, even though this candle engulf the previous one and the previous from that and from that, but the next candle, the next 30-minute candle, it went up, it went down, but it closed in between the previous candle body, not above any side, or it could have been just above that, so we could have engulfing, but it is not engulfing. It is like a piece of slice, you know. It's a triangle. It's but okay. It's if it I don't know. I personally think that if it breaks above of the current candle, it is very likely it would go. It would be very likely that it would go up to 100 pips. Ooh, but you know, this is why I'm not interested in taking a trade in this zone, because this whole zone it's 140 pips zone, and there are so many roadblocks on the left side, roadblocks on the left side. You see this whole oh yeah, it's for some people it's a trend line as well. Yeah, you see, it's a trend line, but who gives? Nobody gives, everybody takes. First 5 minutes of the 15-minute, it just went down. Now I think I would go for a buy if it uh, if it closes above, and I would take it for 520. Yeah, it's 1 to 1. Okay, so we're in a trade. We'll see where we if it yeah. Yeah, because this 30-minute close bullish. I can put a buy over here as well. Somewhere if it goes down. Yeah, yeah. Yes, we are waiting. No, we are not waiting. We're just in the trade now. I hope it does not close below. It should go up. It should go up. I think so. It should go up. I think so. It won't go up. I'm gonna close this trade and this trade as well. So overall $25 lost. Yeah, I rushed too early. Mm, I could have considered this, but it's okay. It's okay. It is fine. 2 more minutes, and if it traces back, I don't like your goal anymore. Yeah, see, it closes below. It is becoming a good sell. If it does not, yes. 1 minute, it didn't go well. If it closes like this, next candle, next down, and then makes a trace minute bid, and then we'll be happy to go for a sell for about here. Yes. Now we wait for 1 minute. Yes, good. Yes, yes, we're in a trade now again. It's 45.27, 45.28. 45.16, okay. 45.16. How many pips are there? 17. If I go for 1 to 1, I'm done with 1 to 1. Yeah, did 1 to 1. My stop loss was the price was 45.23, 24 for here. And I don't know. That's fine because I've been not trading good because was I had to recover the loss I just had today. So it should go down here. Down. I went early in that. I shouldn't have done that. Okay, we did took 3 trades, or 2 trades. One for this one, which didn't went well. I took a buy over here and over here. It wasn't good. We had $2 profit. I had to close that because I knew that it would go down. It won't come up. So 29, 27. We closed early without getting stopped out because of so and recovered $12 from 27. I mean $15. Okay, yeah, I could have, but it's okay. One was fine. Yeah, fine. But it's okay. We managed our risk. We took 1 to 1. I shouldn't have get into this trade. I don't know what happened because it did not broke above. I shouldn't have entered. If I had this TP right now, I would have been closed with partials and I could have let it run. But it's okay. I shouldn't be greedy. I was greedy in this. Okay, yeah, I would have, yeah, I would have closed now. But it's okay. Yeah, we would have hit our TP. Yes, we would have to hit our TP now. I could have made around 65 pips. That means $27. I could have recovered the loss I just did, but it's okay. We did recover some. I was greedy. I got in first for this trade. I shouldn't been do that. Even done that, but it's okay. It's okay. Better luck next time. And I'm not gonna trade anymore because if I trade now, I would be in a loss. If I recovered some of that I have lost today, I would. Okay, yeah, I closed it somewhere over here. 2180 here. This is 5. I have 45, 23, 99, 24. From here to here, I would have made $50. 50 freaking dollars. And got 100 pips, but I got, because of the last trade, I got anxious. I got greedy. I got less profit in this one. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We'll come next. We'll come tomorrow. We will not. I did not. How many decks did we had? We were 20 pips, which is fine. It's okay. It's okay. We had one SL. We had one slight recovery. If we have let that runner run, we could have got more. Yeah, for now that's okay. I won't trade more today because if I did, I'll be gambling, and I don't want to do that. We'll see tomorrow now because I have done for today. I don't want to go more further detailed. So without further ado, we will end this stream over here. We had one SL, we had one profit. That's okay. We don't wanna, you know. Okay, see you tomorrow. Uh, the New York's about to open. Oh my God. Sometimes it hurts. It hurts, but it's okay. We did 1-1, which is without greeting. We'll come tomorrow with a good setup. Yeah, a good. Yeah, these little flowers, these little plants, and they make me feel good every time I had something bad in my mind. Uh, you see now what the 4 hours doing. What the hell is 4 hour doing now? 4 hour closed bearish, and it engulfed the previous 4 hour. That means it is going to go down very bad. Okay. 1 hour closed bearish, very bad. 30 bearish, 15 bearish. Ah, hmm. If we would have let that happen, and rather than 21, 80, I would have got 82 pips more. Well, that is it for today. We'll come back tomorrow with a better setup, with better control on ourselves. It wasn't a good day, it wasn't a bad day as well. We had a little SL, we had a little recovery, just $15 less than that. It's fine. But we know that when we followed our setup, we won. We did not follow the setup. We did not want. That is what is keeping us behind. Remembering that would make us profitable. Following our setup. Following our setup. If it's yeah, if this was the support, the market would go and create a resistance. Will come back. It would be a good market sell as well because the market is getting bearish, 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 and freaking bearish. But that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.